ready to unlock a seamless dropshipping experience for your WooCommerce store. Let's connect dropshipping and revolutionize your business. First, we'll navigate to your WooCommerce admin panel. Head over to Plugins and select Add New. In the search bar, type dropshipping and press Enter. You're looking for the official dropshipping plugin. Once you find it, click Install Now. This will download and prepare the plugin for activation. After installation, you'll see an Activate button. Click this to enable the dropshipping integration within your WooCommerce store. Now, let's get connected. Locate the dropshipping menu in your WooCommerce sidebar and click on Settings. You'll need to enter your dropshipping API key and secret key. To get these, you'll need to log into your dropshipping account. On the dropshipping platform, find the API and Authorization or a similar section within your account settings. Copy your API key and secret key from there. Paste these details into the corresponding fields on your WooCommerce dropshipping settings page and click Save. You should now see a confirmation that your connection is successful. This means your WooCommerce store is officially linked to dropshipping. With the connection established, you can now easily browse and import products from dropshipping directly into your WooCommerce store, manage inventory levels, and automatically fulfill orders. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated dropshipping with WooCommerce, setting yourself up for efficient and scalable dropshipping success.